Alright guys, so I got myself another toy. As you all know, I have this 79 Dodge. It is a D100. But I also got myself this gorgeous beast right here. It is a 77 Dodge Custom D100. Rumor has it is a actual Dodge Warlock, which I'm quite stoked about. It's got some things that my other one doesn't have, which is leading me to believe that it is a Warlock, but too hard to say right now. As you can see, it does have the Dodge gold pinstriping on the dash, on both doors, black interior like you normally see it, and it's also got the bench bucket racing seats, which are in some dire need of work. And best of all, it's got a working 360, nothing fancy, at least not yet. I think this is the one I'm going to be rebuilding. The parts that this one here doesn't have, I'll steal from that one. This truck is actually in not too bad a shape. It's in the same, if not better shape than my other one. And I've got all these metal tie downs on this one. My other one I only got 2. So this here is definitely a keeper. I picked this one here up for about, what was it, 2,600. So 2,600 bucks. Guy who originally wanted 3,000. I managed to talk him down 400 bucks, which isn't too bad. And as you see, it's got the original tailgate, unlike mine. The one that's on mine is just a homemade jobby. But yeah, the only major cancer spot I could find is there and here, but that's minor. I can pick up a new fender for 130 bucks at a reman store. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll start tearing this thing down here either next week or when I come back from work. So see you guys later.